Recreational marijuana is legal in Arizona. Some employers and workers, they have some questions about what comes next. Businesses still have the ability to prohibit marijuana use among their employees. With the passage of Prop 207, adults 21 and older can legally have 6 plants and up to an ounce of weed. Sales won't begin, though, until around springtime of next year. Fox 10's Matt Galka with more on that story tonight.
Well, this is putting it bluntly, but just because it's legal doesn't mean you can't get fired for it. Marijuana advocates are warning employees who get drug tested you may want to hold on to that medical marijuana card, even though recreational marijuana is now legal. With the certification of Arizona's election results,
the votes have been tabulated. All 15 counties have certified their results.
It means Prop 207 and recreational marijuana are both now legal in the state. Does that mean Arizonans are free and clear to use marijuana without punishment? Well, not exactly.
Yeah, do whatever you want. No, not quite. So, yeah, very important to pay attention to the limitations in the new initiative.
Cannabis attorney Tom Dean says regardless of the law, employer policies will still be enforced. That means if you get drug tested, you still have to play by the rules.
You're very likely going to lose your job. There aren't any protections in 207 specific to employees. So an employer would be able to take adverse action against an employee who tested positive for marijuana, even though they weren't impaired at the workplace.
That's why Dean is recommending people not to toss out their medical marijuana cards if they have them just yet. Medical marijuana patients are afforded at least some protections.
Because this is a medicine, there are protections for people so they don't lose their job for simply taking a medicine that a doctor has recommended and the Department of Health has approved. So the individual, so long as they are not in possession of their medical marijuana at the workplace, or obviously impaired on the job, is allowed to test positive for THC, and the employer can't take action against them.
And the expectation is that recreational marijuana will start to be sold in Arizona sometime in spring of 21. In Phoenix, Matt Galka, Fox 10 News.